Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and I am here in my laundry room ready to show you our cabinet organization slash redo. I'm really excited about this video. The transformation that ended up happening, I really liked the before and after more than I even expected to. So I promised you an organization video in my laundry room, but what actually happened is I decided to completely redo it. So I started this makeover with a cabinet that was painted blue on the inside, kind of a lovely sponge painted blue by the person who lived here before us. Never liked the back of the cabinet color, but you know, who has time to paint the back of cabinet? And then I just gave the cabinet a really good cleaning. So I first started painting it with the linen white chalk paint, the same one that I used in my spice cabinet organization and pantry organization videos. And about halfway through, I needed to get some more paint. And I completely switched gears when I started looking at the colors, and just in a very last minute decision decided to instead buy the same brand, but the charcoal colored chalk paint, which again, I will link it below. It's from Amazon for a really great price. It goes over really easily, nice coverage. And I decided I was gonna go black, because when you look through in my laundry room, from the cabinets on through into the kitchen, there's just little touches of black, and so I thought it'd be a really nice bold way to incorporate some more. And so it's not totally jet black, it's like a charcoal gray. Next, I went on and picked out some glass jars from Amazon. I already owned the Le Parfait brand canning jar, and so I just wanted to stick with this kind of theme because I found this one time and I thought it was really pretty. I took out the orange gasket just because it kind of messed with the flow of the colors, but I added some of my homemade laundry detergent to this Le Parfait jar, and then I also grabbed on Amazon a couple of the larger 2-liter Le Parfait jars and used those for my washing soda and OxiClean, borax, that kind of thing. I grabbed some of these really cute scoops on Amazon. I will link them below, but I think they are adorable for inside my jars. Then I grabbed some Dr. Bronner laundry bars because I like to use those for my homemade dry detergent, and I also thought they'd look really pretty in the cabinet. I grabbed a couple of those and put it in an enamel soap dish. I put some of my wool dryer balls that I got from Grove Collaborative into a glass jar. I like to use those in my dryer to both decrease drying time and then soften the fabric. So I grabbed those from Grove Collaborative. I will link the video below where I talked about the products that I get from Grove. There's still a really amazing deal going on where you can get a free cleaning kit for spending $20. So I'll leave the link to that video below and the link to that offer so that you can check that out. I have been wanting to try out soap nuts because they are a great all-natural laundry solution and they're really easy to use. It's both very natural and minimal and less waste, zero waste product, yet very pretty. So that's like a perfect thing to me for the functional and aesthetic value. Now I love to add essential oils to my wool dryer balls. So I put some of my doTERRA lavender up there because they can make my laundry smell like lavender without using fabric softener and dryer sheets that are chemically bad for you. So I just removed the label because I thought it would look really pretty just in a plain little jar like this up in my cabinet. I poured my OxiClean spray, which I love to use for spot treatment, into this Grove Collaborative glass bottle. This comes free in that cleaning kit I was telling you about, and I like it because it has a silicone sleeve so it doesn't break as easily, and it has a really nice spray. It's not just like a jet spray, but it's a nice wide spray, so I can still use this great for my laundry. I found these baskets. They were the perfect width and height, and I knew I'd want to make some basket liners for them. So I'm gonna have a video coming up on how to actually do that, but I sewed some custom ruffle basket liners for these. Our laundry room closet functions for more than just laundry, and that's because we have such a small house. It's old, there aren't any closets, and the basement's not a good place for storage, so most everything just kind of has to go in unusual places. So we also kept in this cabinet batteries and lights, and so I use these baskets to replace the plastic containers that I had before, which they were nicely organized, nothing wrong with that, but they weren't gonna look pretty enough for my open shelving. I also occasionally buy 7th generation laundry detergent. So I recycled this, pulled off the labels, and I'm gonna use this to put my homemade liquid laundry detergent in. A few days ago, I showed you a tutorial for the macrame jute twine plant hangers that I also brought into this space. Now the reason I did that is because there was kind of an awkward space because the cabinet was originally installed kind of off-centered, and I thought that would bring some balance, and plus it would add a nice green color and some more natural elements into this laundry room, which I absolutely love, especially for the springtime. Head over to the blog because I am offering a free printable sheet so that you can make cute little containers like this. So I have all the labels for a well-stocked natural laundry room cabinet organization, and you can grab this free printable on the blog. It's all on one sheet, and then you can just cut them out, and they are convenient and very cute if you're going to attempt open shelving in your laundry room. I will leave the link for that below. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I redid my laundry room very inexpensively with just some paint, taking off some doors, a few DIYs, some fun jars and baskets. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by our farmhouse.